Welcome back to the channel, and I've found some built-in deals for you, especially if you've got a few £100 to spend. Mind you, there's always deals for people who want to spend a few £100, but these ones are really good. And also I've got my usual sort of bargain deals as well that I usually find. And I'm going to announce the 3 winners of the competition I ran at the end of last month. So I've got the FEIYUE FY06, and this is an unusual looking thing. I quite fancy one of these. I must admit, I can see me getting one. I just love the way the sort of back bit just moves around. It's just pretty awesome, I think. It does look cool. So yeah, this is coming in at 111. That's a pretty good price, and there's a code. I'm going to put a link down in description, and then there'll be a bargaining sort of code that I would suggest you copy and paste, because they're all really weird sort of codes. They don't really make an awful lot of sense, but they do work. That's the important thing. And I can get this for around 90 quid, so pretty good buy, I would say. I found another one that there is a code for this, but it only takes a few quid off it. But it is a nice drone. I've seen lots of reviews out on it. I've just never bothered with it because I have drones below its price and a lot more expensive than it that do exactly the same job, basically. So I'm quite happy with what I've got. But if you're after a 4K with a gimbal and everything, and that flies well with GPS and everything, this might well be it. And this is a built-in price on it as well. And like I say, there will be a code to get a little bit of discount on that for you. Now, the major deals I was talking about was the DJI Mavic, and I don't know why these codes are coming out, but my mate's just got one, and I'll show you his one in a second. This I can get for $620 with the code that's down in description. You use the link and then copy and paste the code, and you'll get that for $620, which is a built-in deal. But this is the ultimate built-in deal. This is the one my mate's just got, and he paid just around this price, just slightly more, I think, only a few weeks ago, and really nice. I've had a look at it and everything. It's an awesome piece of kit, and you get really nice long flight times, and you've got extra batteries and everything. So it's the combo one. This is the Fly More combo. I can get you this for $878. So that's a superb price, I would say. So let me run through how these codes work. So I'm going to add it to the cart first of all. Come up to your cart, view your cart, and then the Gearbest have changed the site slightly. You used to have a code you could put in here, but you have to proceed to checkout before you can add a code in, and then your code goes in here. Now I've copied and pasted it, so it's Control C to copy the code and Control V to paste it, so that's all I'm going to do. If not, there will actually be written down in description for you, so you can just type it back in if you want to. Now watch this price down here when I press apply. $878. Now that is a belting good deal for that quad, and it is a really nice quad. I've seen the footage off it, and I've had a go, and it is a really nice piece of kit. There's some flash sales going on, and there's some new ones just coming out. I just haven't got time to keep waiting for these. I've got other things to do by YouTube. I know it's a shock, a horror. I'm always there for you guys, but I do have another life as well. So there's some good deals coming up, and actually the deals for all the quad stuff and everything is coming out in the next 20 hours. So like I say, I can't really hang on for that. There's some gimbals here that are rather nice. But I'm going to carry on down and come across what I'm actually going to order is a Wi-Fi extender. Now this is the Xiaomi one, or Yami, whatever you call it, the Mi one, only at $653, and this is the English version, and they do a Chinese version as well. Really, anyone that wants to fly Wi-Fi on their drone and wants to extend the range, this is the piece of kit you want. You also need some form of giving it some power. I carry a little power bank around with me all the time anyway, so I would just plug mine into a power bank, so that's how to do it. And like I say, if I scan on down, you'll see that we've got coming up the quads. There we go. There's quads and drones and everything all coming up, but they're not released the price yet because it's got another 19 hours to go when I made the video. So by the time you're probably looking at this, it's either come, gone, or it's on its way back in again. And onto those 3 giveaways that I did at the end of last month. The first one goes to Dean Daniels, and that's the F36. Great little quad, really good fun. Hope you enjoy that. I've got Grey Cool 69 has won the 8807. Nice little folding quad, ideal to take around with you. And I like these little things. For the price, you really can't go wrong. And when you're getting it for free, it's even better. And then I've got Dixies Undertake. Has won the car, which is a WLToys 12428, as you can see there. So well done to you lot, and I shall be running another competition. If everyone keeps using the links and we all keep pestering people like Gearbest, they keep giving me stuff to give away back to you. So to me, that's everyone wins, and that's the way I like to run the channel. Hope you're enjoying the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.